No matter what you know about AI, there is no denying that the AI revolution around the world is coming crazy and it's changing us with amazing energy. As AI becomes increasingly capable, how will it affect the future workforce? Will you be replaced by AI? Will you lose your job? We have to admit that AI is causing fear and concern.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Emily. Today's video, we will show you how the AI technology affects the TV workers' job. As you know, China's manufacturing capacity is quite strong, especially in TV industry. Most of the TVs in the world come from China. Actually, I'm based in a small city, Mianyang, which is located in the southwest of China. It is unbelievable that more than 400 million TVs have been manufactured here and exported to more than 100 countries and regions, and the number is keeping growing. What behind me is an intelligent industry park. Let's see it. What happened there?
It seems that very busy here. We can see that there are many kinds of warbirds. This warbird is for delivering production materials. The maximum carry capacity is 1,000 kilograms. This is a diligent warbird. Since the TV module is very fragile, the warbird places the TV module quite cautiously and smoothly. The big device is a warbird too, a giant warbird. Its main task is to transport the materials needed for production from the first floor to be here.
Besides that, there are many other warbirds served here. With so many warbirds working together, not only the product efficiency, but also the quality have been improved. However, the influence is more obvious.
We found few workers here, since a lot of workers have been replaced. They have lost their jobs.
过去我们每条生产线大概有多少工人？
原来可能60-70个，然后现在少了，现在你能去看到60个的样子。
是什么原因导致这个工人的减少？
现在我们智慧工厂嘛，然后这些自动化设备增多了，然后就人员就用的少一些了。
能介绍一下什么样的工人会留下来继续工作？他们会需要什么样的方式呢？
首先，他肯定要会学习啊，我们这些自动设备。
在未来的话，这类生产线上的工人会越来越少。
我想未来肯定会越来越少，因为我们这个自动化设备使用的越来越多。
对我们当下的年轻人，你跟他们有什么建议吗？
首先肯定是要不断的学习，后面这种工厂里智能化设备越来越多，我们也要不断的学习。
In the future, more warbirds will join us, and who will be replaced next?
Because of the development and application of AI technology, the structure of the work in manufacturing will change a lot in the future, but warbirds will replace old jobs and create new ones as well. These new ones require proficiency in industry automation production, interconnection, IoT, industry warbirds, intelligent production, etc.
Workers in manufacturing industry should strive to transition to these jobs.
AI affects not only workers, but all of us.
We should learn skills that AI is not good at, such as creativity, strategic thinking, sensitivity, compassion, empathy, etc. In a world keep learning, AI is fully in the hands of human beings. We will not be out by the times. In the next video, we are going to talk about what's different about the TV produced by the AI production lines. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you